Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn history subject class 10 and topic is historiography. Historiography is a continuous process. Historical research, writing and studies historical research method contains lots of methods like empirical method, laboratory method of experiments and observation that allows formulating laws which remain true irrespective of time and space. Here, historical research, writing and studies are carried out with an objective of understanding the chronology of the past events and their interconnections. This is a continuous process. In historical research, it may not be possible to use the method of laboratory experiments and observations. Traditional historiography. We have learned about the historical research method, critically examining the historical resources and writing the historical narrative. The writing of critical historiography narrative is known as historiography. A scholar who writes such a narrative is a historian. The tradition of writing historical narrative, that is historiography, was not prevalent in the ancient societies of the world. However, what does not mean that they were not aware of the historical time or were not eager to know about it. Ancient people also felt the need of passing on the stories of the life and valor of the ancestors of the next generation. For example, ancient communities all over the world used various means like cave paintings, storytelling, singing songs, and ballads for the purpose of modern historiography. There are two types of historiography: traditional historiography and modern historiography. Look at the image. The earliest inscription in the Valour Museum. There is a rock shown in that picture, and the tradition of recording historical events can be traced up to Sumer civilization in Mesopotamia. Name of Sumerian king and the stories of the battle fought by them have been preserved in various inscriptions. The earliest inscription shown above date back to 4500 BCE, before Common Era. It records a battle fought between two kingdoms. It is now displayed at the Louvre Museum in France. Now come to the modern historiography. The four main characteristics of the modern historiography. First, its method is based on scientific principles. It begins with the formation of relevant questions. Second, these questions are anthropocentric. It means that these questions are about the deeds of the member of ancient human societies of a particular period. History does not suggest any interrelation between the divine and the human deeds. Third, answers to these questions are supported by the reliable evidence. Fourth, history represents a graph of mankind's journey with the help of past human deeds. Herodotus, the Greek historian of the 5th century BC, used the first book of his entitled the Histories. It is said that the modern historiography with above characteristics has its roots in the ancient Greek historical writings.